Hi, in this video I will show you how to cut video in Google VEO 3. So in order to cut a video, what you can do is you can head over first into your Google VEO and then go over to the project that you have. So the first method that we can use is to control the length and cuts within your prompt. So this is the native way to control your video's content. So we can make a shorter video by trimming from the end, and instead of generating a long clip and cutting it down, you may simply ask VEO to generate a shorter clip from the beginning. So you can input a big prompt as well as specific prompts, and here are some suggestions based on that. So in here for the second method, we can use a standard workflow. So this is the most practical and reliable way to edit. The first step is to generate your video in Google VEO and focus on your prompt for getting the perfect visual style, characters, and action. So don't worry about the length because we can just cut the video in the video editor itself. You can use the editor's tool like a blade or split in order to delete or trim some parts of the video. Now in here are some recommended video editors. You can use CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, iMovie, Clipchamp, and we also have professional and paid tools such as Adobe Premiere Pro as well as Final Cut Pro. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.